Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable BuzzSumo for identifying US content trends, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable BuzzSumo for identifying US content trends, start by visiting the BuzzSumo website. Sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the main dashboard, locate the search bar at the top. In the search bar, enter a relevant keyword or topic related to your interest. Select the filters to narrow down your search results. For US content trends, set the country filter to United States. You can further refine your search by choosing specific content types, such as articles, videos, or infographics. After adjusting the filters, click the search icon to generate results. The results page will display trending content based on your selected keyword and filters. Review the results to identify which pieces are gaining the most engagement. You can sort the content by metrics such as shares or engagement. Take note of the publication dates to ensure the trends are current. For deeper insights, click on individual articles to see their social media shares and backlinks. Use the Trending Now feature for real-time updates on viral content. To save your searches, utilize the Save Search option for future reference. Consider setting up alerts for specific keywords to monitor emerging trends continuously. Make use of BuzzSumo's influencer search feature to identify key figures in your niche. Engage with the identified influencers to maximize the reach of your content. By following these steps, you will successfully enable BuzzSumo to identify US content trends effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.